This video is related to iMac Mailer, a mass mailing software made by FK Solutions. Today we're going to be talking about iMac Mailer's multi-document user interface, particularly about working with mailing list files. Every mailing list file or mailing project is stored into a separate file on your file system. Take a look at this document window. Currently it shows us sample mailing list 1 file, which is stored on my file system right here. This is the file which is shown in this document window. You can work with several mailing list projects at the same time. You can use the file open command to open another file. And now we have two files open, and we can switch between them whenever it's necessary. You can open files by several ways. The easiest way to open your mailing list files is through using the file open command. You click on the file menu item, select the open command, and then you just browse your folders and open a mailing list you want to open, like this. Another way is to open it through the recent list. You use the file command and you use this open recent menu item, and you just select the file you worked with recently, and again it's open. Another very convenient way to open mailing list files is to use Finder. If you have a folder where you store all your mailing lists, you can just open this folder and just double click the file you wish to open, and it opens. Another great feature I would really like to mention is the auto open feature. It's located in the file menu below the open recent menu item, and it's called auto open. When I click on it, it enables or disables. When it's enabled, and if you close the program without closing all the windows, all the documents, once you start the program again, all the windows will be opened as they were before you closed the program. However, if this feature is off and you open iMac Mailer, it will just open a new document window. If necessary, you can clone your mailing list file. To do so, you use the file Save As menu item. If the file is already saved on your file system, and if you save it under a different name, let's say clone, the old file will stay in the file system and a new one will be created, and the new file will have the same content as the old one. Let's check our folder. Here it is. We have this new file, and it's exactly the same as the old one. Now let's talk about why you need multiple documents. Take a look at the mailing project. It has a recipient list and it has a message list. If you want to have a mailing list for a different purpose, you will have to create a separate document for it. And this document will hold new recipients and new messages for this different purpose. I'll show you how to create a new mailing list based on the old one. For instance, you want to use .NET email addresses on your new mailing list and net email addresses only. You use filtering and you filter your current mailing list to show net addresses only. Then you use the command A key combination to select all the .NET addresses in the list. Then you copy them to the pasteboard by using the command C key combination, and you create a new mailing list file by using the file new command. And you paste those recipients to the list of recipients. And your new mailing list now contains only the net addresses. Then you just compose a message. And here we go. You have a new mailing list file for a different purpose. We can now save it by using the file save command. We give it some name. Press the save button, and the new file, which we just created, is now in our file system, and we can use it later. Now let's summarize everything we have just learned. All the commands that are related to working with mailing list files are located under the File menu item, and it's new. The new command will create a new mailing list, new empty mailing list. Open command will open a file. Open recent will let you open one of your mailing lists you worked with recently quickly. The auto open item lets you turn on or off the auto open mode. If auto open mode is on, whenever you start iMac Mailer, all the documents which were opened before you closed iMac Mailer will be reopened again. The close command will let you close any document, and it works the same way as this red button does. Save will let you save your mailing list. Save as will let you save your mailing list under a different name, or it will also let you clone an existing saved mailing list. Revert to saved will let you undo all the changes you did to your mailing list. For instance, if you made a lot of changes to your mailing list, added new recipients, deleted the existing ones, created new messages, and so on, and if you really wish to revert it back to the saved state, you use this item, this command. And this is pretty much it. Thanks for listening.